Tonsil stones or tonsilloliths are a common occurrence and not necessarily harmful. These stones go ignored by most people unless obvious symptoms like bad breath are present, which makes you sit up and take notice. While there are many different reasons why these stones could occur, when people are forced to cope with the problems that can come from continually being afflicted with tonsilloliths, one of the initial things that they want to know is how to remove tonsil stones effectively. The fact is that there is a natural way to remove tonsil stones for good without the pain, cost, or inconvenience of surgery. Of course, the best way to treat any health problem is to know how to prevent it and to make sure you are not worsening your condition. In the case of tonsil stones, proper oral care and hygiene routine is important to prevent the formation of any further stones. Proper brushing and flossing should always be practiced. However, if you already have stones fixing in your tonsils, you can help yourself in removing it by using water pick. Water pick irrigator is an excellent tool that is very commonly used in the West to physically get rid of these stones. If you do, the tongue attachment can be used to direct a spray into the tonsillar crypt containing the stone. It's always better to use the machine on its lowest pressure setting or you will end up tearing your tonsils. Irrigate the tonsil crypts with water and the stones will automatically dislodge with the water. But I would personally recommend gargling over any other method because it is completely harmless and can do only good. A wide variety of substances can be added to warm water and used for gargling. Select one that suits you and carry it out diligently for long-term results. Another low-tech method for removing tonsil stones is to use a cotton swab to squeeze the tonsil till the stones fall out. If you decide to use this method, I recommend that you moisten the swab a bit with water first and apply pressure gently against the bottom of the tonsil and push it in upward motion. The pressure will help to squeeze out tonsilloliths. All of these methods are quite successful and can be performed in the privacy of your own home. Follow these steps for removing tonsil stones to make sure that you get a permanent solution from them. You will realize that holistic and natural solutions always beat other modes of treatment. For more information how to remove tonsil stones at home, click the link in description.